Connect one end of the AC adapter to the Type-C input of the device, and plug the other end into the power outlet. Display screen lights up when powered on. The device needs to be plugged in at all times using an AC100V240V household outlet. Press and hold the alarm settings button to enter alarm settings. Rotate snooze button to set the hour, and then press snooze button to proceed. Rotate snooze button to set the minute, and then press snooze button to proceed. Rotate snooze button to select the alarm sound, and then press snooze button to proceed. Rotate to set the volume of the alarm sound, and then press snooze button to complete the setup. The alarm icon indicator will show on the display. Press the sunrise button to enter the sunrise light settings. Rotate snooze button to set the maximum brightness, press the snooze, sunrise button to proceed. Adjustable 20 brightness levels. And then rotate snooze button to set the time to turn on the sunrise light before the alarm, ranging from 0 to 60 minutes. Press the snooze button to complete the setup. Press and hold time settings button to enter time setting. Rotate snooze button to set time format, and then press snooze, time set button to proceed. Rotate snooze button to set hour, and then press snooze, time set button to proceed. Rotate snooze button to set minute, and then press snooze, time set button to complete the setup. Press RGB button to turn on the RGB ambient light. Rotate brightness control roller to adjust its brightness. Press RGB button to cycle through different light modes. Available in 9 lights and 20 brightness levels. C08, C09 can sync with Bluetooth music. C03 is a breathing red light, while C05 and C07 are dynamic RGB color effects. Press single color light to open the brightness adjustment. Through light adjustment wheel can adjust the brightness of light. Press and hold single color light for 2 seconds to turn on the single color light. Press single color light to cycle through different colors. Available in 8 colors. Rotate brightness control roller to adjust its brightness. Press and hold single color light, again to turn off the single color light. You can use the clock as a Bluetooth speaker. Press and hold dimmer, BT button for 2 seconds to activate Bluetooth mode, indicating by a voice prompt Bluetooth mode, and a flashing BT icon on the display. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, and search for YF-04 to connect. Wait for successful pairing, indicated by the voice prompt paired successfully, and a solid tick-on the display. Press and hold dimmer, BT button to close Bluetooth mode. Press dimmer, BT button to adjust the brightness of the time display area. Press sleep timer button to enable the sleep timer. You will see the flashing digits. Rotate snooze button to set the timer duration. The setting will be saved automatically. Sleeping time can be set from 10 to 480 minutes. Press and hold sleep timer button to turn off the sleep timer. Press white noise button to turn on white noise. Rotate volume control roller to adjust the volume. Press white noise button. Rotate the snooze button to switch among different music. There are 10 white noises that can be switched. Long press the white noise button to turn off white noise. Press nature sounds, songs to turn on nature sounds, songs. Press white noise button. Rotate the snooze button to switch among different music. There are 20 nature sounds, songs that can be switched. Long press the nature sounds, songs button to turn off nature sounds, songs. Press and hold snooze button to enter snooze settings. You will see the flashing digit. Rotate snooze button to set the snooze time and then press snooze button to proceed. Rotate snooze button to set if the sunrise light will be on during the snooze, off, on. And then press snooze button to complete the setup.